My name's Sam, this is my channel, Jacked on Plants. I'm the guy who went from this to this, eating and some of this, okay? In this video, I'm just gonna go through my top 5 tips of how I managed to put on 25 pounds in just 11 weeks without. I hear a lot about women, the pressure on women to look a certain way, but what about blokes? I have been a skinny guy my whole life, and I feel that pressure. I mean, I don't feel. Do you feel like a man? The assault on my manhood went to the next level when I took up veganism last year. When I started on a plant-based diet, I kind of lost a little bit more weight even still, and my friends and family were just kind of looking at me going, mate, get some steak into you. You're losing weight, this vegan thing, it's not healthy. Something inside me just snapped. Last November, I decided that's it, I'm gonna do something about it. I'm gonna set myself a challenge. At the time, I was weighing in at about 69 kilograms, which is about 152 pounds. I wanted to put on 25 pounds in 12 weeks. That was my target. People thought it was crazy, not possible. I didn't even know whether I could do it myself, to be honest. I had so many questions. Where will I get my protein from? What exactly do I eat? Can you even build muscle on plants? Yes, you can. Clean bulking, stay lean, jack your energy and jack your health. So now I really want to share what I've learned with you. So I'm going to give you the top 5 tips I learned putting 25 pounds on in 11 weeks. First of all, I'm just going to take you to my kitchen because they say muscles are made in the kitchen, and I believe it to be true. So lesson number 1, eat like a gorilla. Don't worry, you don't just have to eat grass. Plant-based food is just delicious and colourful. When I say eat like a gorilla, I'm more referring to the quantities. You really got to get that food in. I was aiming for 3,500 calories a day, up to 4,000. My second lesson, plant-based carbs, complex carbs, legumes, oats, beans, fruits. These are all the things you need to fuel your workout. They're all also really good sources of protein. I think I ate around sort of 8 to 9 to 10 bananas a day. I think I worked out I ate about 800 bananas over the whole 11-week period. Did I get fat? Oh shit, I'm late for work. It's the middle of the day. I'm not. This is just a seamless link to lesson number 3, which is sleep 7 hours per night. Okay, there is a science to this, but simply put, you tear your muscles in the gym, then you feed your muscles the nutrients they need to repair in the kitchen, and then while you're sleeping, your muscles repair, and more importantly, they grow. Okay, so I'm eating well, I've got my diet dialed in, I'm getting a really good night's sleep every night. The next sort of big question for me was, what workout should I do? This one's really important because really when you're building mass, there really is only one type of exercise you need to be focusing on, and that is lesson number 4, compound lifts 4. So just what are compound lifts and why do they work for building mass fast? They are your benches, your rows, your deadlifts and your squats. And these types of exercises engage multiple muscle groups. So you're working more muscles at once, which is pretty simple, obvious that that's gonna build more muscle than let's say doing an arm curl where you're just isolating your bicep. You know, you're gonna do a compound lift, you're gonna engage 3, 4, 5 muscle groups at once. Lesson number 5, have a goal. That was my goal. That was my starting point. That was where I was trying to get to. Without a goal, you're just aimlessly working out. I've been there, I've done it, you're just treading water. You need a position A and a position B. You need to work out a plan to get from A to B. Without a B, where are you going? If you're going to a party somewhere in town, you find out what the location is, you tap it into your phone, whatever, Google Maps, you find your way there. Without the location, without the B,
how are you going to find it? It's crazy, but still people do that. You just go to the gym today and speak to some guys in there. What's your target weight? What you're working out for? And they won't be able to tell you. Like, but speak to those guys that are ripped and look great. They'll have a goal, 100%. Get yourself a goal. Okay, then my top 5 tips for growing muscles quickly on plants. I hope you found that useful. Just to quickly recap, number 1, get those calories in, 3,500 kcals per day. If you're a skinny guy, hard gainer, you need to get that food in, get in that calorie surplus. Number 2, carb it up. Do not be scared of the carbs. They will not make you fat. Plant-based carbs, complex carbs, you'll stay lean, you'll have plenty of energy, you will grow. Number 3, sleep, rest, make sure you're getting plenty of it. Number 4, compound movements in the gym, they bring the mass. And number 5, possibly the most important of all, set yourself a goal, a target, something to aim for. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful, but I'm not just here to talk at you, I actually want you to take action. So I've taken action and created a free program for you. Introducing the Kickstarter. It's a free program. It will show you how to get from here to here fast. In step 1 will kickstart your motivation, step 2 will kickstart your diet, and step 3 will kickstart your workout. If you want to grab the Kickstarter, just check out the link in the description below. Click on that link, go and grab it. That is all. Thanks again for listening. If you like that video, please hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another blockbuster. Maybe not.